Hi, so in this video we're going to see how to use the archive feature in Gmail. Many a times in order to clear our inbox, we delete mails, and sometimes we delete mails which we may require after a period of time. And as you know, Gmail clears the trash on its own after 30 days. So when you delete an email, it actually gets lost completely after 30 days. Well, there is the feature called archive where you can actually store an email, remove it from your inbox, but also will have it available as a backup or as an archive material whenever you would like. So basically what you do when let's say if I want to archive an email instead of trashing it. So here's an email from, let's say, Shake Up Learning, and I highlight it. So instead of, normally what I would do is in order to clean up my email inbox, I would hit the delete button here, and then it will go and get stored in my trash, and it will remain there for 30 days before it gets completely deleted, and which could be risky, let's say if I wanted to refer to it at some point. So in order to avoid that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the archive feature in Gmail. So here I have this email checked, and then I'm going to go up here and choose archive. That will push the email to a folder or a label called all mail. So it's actually moved out to your inbox, and then it gets stored on your all email folder. And here you can search that email. So in my case here, I'm going to search it by Shake Up Learning. And then it will show up right in there. So what it does basically, that archive feature cleans out my inbox, puts it in the all mail folder, and then I can always look at it if I ever need it. So this is a good example of how to manage your emails from your inbox without even deleting them. And with this archive feature, you can really manage your inbox in a way that becomes very useful for you. Hope you like this video, and I would appreciate if you could send your comments if anything else you would like me to improve upon. Thank you so much.